White,
Downstairs,
red.
my office
Here we go.
downstairs, and I work out. So like 3/4 of the time, I'm
Back feet.
come up me every now and then. They don't know if I'm down there racing spots or in the office.
So we lose you alone.
Yeah.
Well, the cars do have a unique sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, but at least they don't mess up the TV like they used to.
Yeah.
Right, right.
I just run them on a separate circuit.
Oh, my power supply is so smooth and steady. It's right.
I'd say I really enjoyed it. Well, I'm on the
I saw that.
I'm a big fan of it. I'd try it.
We raised a stock.
Red.
Just as much as that.
I saw that couple.
Mod teaser. Because supersonic, I guess, is a class of G-jet.
Well, all the supersonic gun rays have magnets and polygons.
Right.
Like
Right.
Some
We call it mod teaser.
Yeah, usually in a modified.
Right.
We run modified manufacturing too, and they got polymer magnets and signal arms,
Yeah.
some other stuff.
Because race magnet traction using 12
Yeah, right.
Oh, we raced E-jets and Navys and E3s.
Yeah, so we've got two.
Ian and Dave, we raced the stuff.
Oh, the storms and the...
Yeah.
And I get nailed for son of a tap sucker. Really?
Yeah.
Some of the steps up
It is
wait,
literally almost.
you're louder, Mike. Right?
I'm not good at it.
That's super, that's right.
Yeah.
I can't. Even this is beyond mine.
Yeah, I'm starting to have trouble. That's what I think.
Right.
This is it.
Yeah, and you have to drive. This difference to make. I toured the car last year. I worked on everything.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I
A
get
lot more touchier than I thought.
it's just as much satisfaction out of working on it.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's part of the Sweet Knot Club. I really made some cars. I didn't even too difficult. Yeah, they're a lot more touchier. Yeah, yeah, my attention to detail is unbelievable.
Right.
To make the
Great
Ryan
looking car.
Well, I'm just talking about.
Right.
I couldn't believe it.
Leave them.
Anyway.
Pick up lap.
Kevin Bucker, sections, please.
25. No. 24. 24 for... Wait.
Pick one.
Which one did you ask for, huh?
I asked for Kevin Bucker.
Oh, Kevin Barker.
He's in red.
Hey, can everybody
Ken
check?
Ott.
24.
Can everybody check around your area and see if I didn't leave my tech block playing in somebody's area?
There.
You got
Charlie
some tech
Carnes.
35.
36.
35.
Got your pass line.
Ryan Peoples.
8.
Too short to see it.
Kevin Bucker.
Finally got that monkey off your back.
Oh, so it was Charlie Carnes.
Ken, let's see the program.
Ken.
Thank you.
Ken Ott. Ford. Charlie